Quick question here. Did you know that there are UK court cases where a single judgment can apply to millions of consumers at once? In some of these cases, if they succeed, customers may be paid compensation, but most people never receive anything at all. Now, this isn't because they're not eligible. This is because they don't even know that the case exists. And that's exactly where opt-out collective actions come in. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what they are in plain English. An opt-out collective action is a type of legal case designed for those situations where big companies affect millions of people at once. For some people, that impact might be super small, maybe even a few pounds added to a bill, but for some, we're talking hundreds, even thousands of pounds. And this is all over time, but here is the problem. Most people aren't going to take on a major company alone. It's expensive, it's time consuming, and honestly, so unrealistic. So these opt-out claims really do exist to level the playing field. In an opt-out case, one representative brings forward the case on behalf of everyone affected. If you meet that criteria, you are automatically included. If the case wins or settles, there's usually a process by which you can register, and that compensation may be paid depending on the outcome or the court approval. And typically, this isn't one of those situations where you pay to be a part of the case. Although it's always important just to check the terms. Now, the key thing with all of this is that you don't need to sign up at the start to be included, but you do need to know that the case exists in order to benefit from it. In the UK, optive collective actions are currently limited to competition law cases. That includes things like price fixing, abuse of market dominance, and anti-competitive behavior. And they are different from other group claims, like group litigation orders where people have to opt in from the very start. So these opt-out cases are super powerful, but they're also quite rare. And let's talk about why awareness for this really does matter. In one well-known railway case, up to £25 million was made available to consumers, but only £200,000 was actually ever claimed back. And let's talk about it. That is less than 1%. And the rest of the money, well, that went unclaimed. And that wasn't because people weren't eligible. It was because people didn't even know it existed. And they didn't even understand the real process. A system designed to deliver justice doesn't actually work if only 1% of people benefit from it. Now, this is exactly why Join the Claim exists. We're not a law firm and we don't give legal advice. So our role is track major opt-out collective actions and settlements. We explain what's happening in plain English. We signpost you to official claim websites and trusted sources. And we keep people updated when deadlines or eligibility stages change. Because cases don't just need good lawyers, they need people to actually know that they exist. If you want to stay informed about cases that could affect you and learn more about your rights, visit jointheclaim.com.